Alright y'all, so there's no light in here because we had to take the fixture off. I am going to work in here. This is the only light I have, plus I'm going to get my box light. And I'm going to start tiling this right now because, yeah, I need to get this done. So what I am going to use, let me go ahead and take it out of here and then show you guys. So this is everything that I'm using for this project. So that's the adhesive, the tile cutter. Those are the tiles. I ended up getting 3 boxes. Here's what the tiles look like. They are 4x12 and they have kind of like a beveled like edge here. So I'm not going to use any spacers. Here's the grout. I decided to go with the color gray. And then this is just the sponge for when I wipe it down. Here's a trowel so I can go ahead and spread the adhesive. And that is it. I make things more complicated than they should be, but I was trying to make sure like this is very wobbly, so my towel kept like going back and forth, but this one I messed up. So these are they're supposed to be 4x12 tiles, and they're more of 3.5 by like 11 and I don't know, a quarter. So my measurement for this one was off. So this one is slightly larger than this one. So here what I had to do, the halfway is 5 7/8. So as you can see, these are perfectly halves, so that's awesome. But yes, I practiced on that and I messed up, so I got these, so I'm excited. So now I know that it's going to be 5 7/8. That is my middle. Make a line, and this is not that hard to use either. It's kind of intimidating a little bit, but you literally just place the tile there, and there's like a little wheel under here. I'll probably make a separate video because I saw some other YouTuber use this and I'm like, oh, that's super simple. But when I try to use it, I don't know if I just didn't have everything in my box, but it's just really, I'll show you guys. So here's this tile, and if you put it here, it's like wobbly. So I was like, well, it's not holding still. This comes with it if you want angles. Obviously I didn't need it, so I just took that off. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and cut more tile. That way I can have them and then I can start putting them up. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. This is part 2 of the kids bathroom makeover. I posted a part 1 over 6 months ago. So this is not an instructional or tutorial video. So please do not do anything that I did here because I'm pretty sure it's incorrect. I did watch a few YouTube videos, but I know that I did not do this the right way. So I am just tiling this wall, and I did it by myself. I needed my husband's help for just a few things, but I pretty much did it all on my own. I grouted it by myself, wiped it down, caulked it, everything alone except for the light fixture and then just a few things. I'm really proud of my project here, but I know that it's not the best. But like I said, it's my first time, so you live and you learn. So let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, y'all, this is what I have so far. It is pretty simple. Obviously, not all walls and stuff are level, so you can tell right here. So I kind of pushed this a little because all the corners and the edges here are going to get caulked. So that's totally fine, but you can, I like the way it's looking, but anyways, you can kind of see there's like a bigger gap here because all walls are not equal, which is fine. I'm okay with that. I still don't know what I'm going to do right here. That's where that anchor is. So I'm going to have to do some research. I'll finish up right here and then right here, and then I'll pause. I might just continue all the way up and then leave these, or leave the middle area for right now. But I think it's looking so cute. All right, y'all, so my camera died. My box light is there. Obviously there's no light, but this is everything I got done. So I'm gonna get a little closer so I can show you. So right here, my husband did this side and I did that side. Yeah, you can kind of tell. Obviously, I don't know what I'm doing, but he helped me with this right here. So this is where the mirror is going to hang. So we just kind of made like a little, just cut out the tile right here. And then he just told me to cut out there. So I was left. He actually left. So I have to finish this. So that was my side. As you can see, it's all jagged. And then I had to cut right here and then finish this. But I did everything myself. He just helped me slice these a little bit. They just needed to be cut just a hair. So I got it done. Everything is done. So the only problem I'm having is this big gap right here. So the walls are not straight, they're not level, but oh well. This is my first project completely, well, not completely by myself, because my husband did help me with those. This one right here, I did the other ones, which you obviously can tell because they look kind of weird. So I'm going to leave this overnight. Then I'm going to caulk all the way around. And then we will grout this tomorrow. So grouting and caulk is tomorrow, and then wiping, I'm gonna wipe everything down. There's some of the adhesive stuck on the wall, so I'm gonna have to sand it off because it's kind of stuck on there now. And then paint. I did buy extra paint or a sample of the Repost Gray that's in here already, and this is where I sanded, I think my last video, I sanded this down, so I have to paint that. So far, looking good. All right, y'all, that is going to be it for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now, like I said in the beginning, do not take this as a tutorial because I know that I did not do the best job, but this was my first time doing something like this, so I'm really proud of it. Now, at the end of the video, I show you guys the light fixture, the mirror, and the shelf. Now, the light fixture we got off of Amazon for about $70 or $80. It was super inexpensive, and I think it looks really pretty. And the mirror we got from Home Goods, I think I paid like $50 or $60 for the mirror. And then I switched out the shelf that was in the bathroom. It was a darker wood, and this time I went with something lighter. Now, it's not decorated or anything because I wasn't ready at that point to decorate. I just wanted the bathroom to be done so that way the kids can use it. I think it looks really good, but here later on I'll show you, I'll post a video of the bathroom all put together. Now, I'm honestly contemplating in changing out the cabinet color that I used. I don't know why. I'm not sure. I might leave it the way it is. I might change it. I know that we're going to change out that vanity because we just want to replace it and do something completely different in there. But because I was working on a budget and because I wanted to refresh the bathroom, I went ahead and used the appliance epoxy on the countertop and the faucet. The only thing obviously I spent money on was the tiling and then of course the light fixture in the mirror and things like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.